Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here, and today we're going to review the Lifesystems Duo Fire Starter. So it has a magnesium block on it and also a ferro rod on it. Now I have done a video on the ferro rod itself in the past. It didn't go well. After the review, just showing the fire starter itself, the ferro rod itself, most of it was gone. So the ferro rod itself was so soft that I couldn't really, it wouldn't last that long afterwards, let's just say that. So I found this one for £8 on sale in blacks. So anybody can, with a blacksmith camping shop, can hopefully find one of these to test themselves, or if you're interested in it. This review, don't know how it's gonna go, if it's gonna break or what or that, but and that's the back of it. So let's have a look now. I'll open it up and we'll see if we can start some small fires with it. How much the ferro rod goes, how does magnesium work, and all the rest of it. So stay tuned. You good girl. There you go. So that slides out. Use that one. Use that one, that's fine. Striker, very small. I cut you. Right, so yeah, let's have a play. So we'll get some magnesium on here first. We'll use that bit. Let's use the scraper that comes with it. Give us a bit fairer view here. Fuck. It's very hard to scrape with this striker. It's kind of has a high edge on it, and it keeps digging into the magnesium block. So I'm trying to do it lightly. Alright, I might stop using that because that's just doing my nut in. Let me just go for a smaller blade. That's easier. Right, so we're going to try to light this now before the wind gets too high again. See how the ferro rod itself goes. Well, actually, let's use the striker. It comes with it. And it's not even. It feels sharp, but it's just not doing it. Let's try this again. Thumb's tired, hold on, getting old. Jeez. There we go. Well. That reminds me of the old firework you used to have where you light the small little black round thing and then a snake comes up. kind of thing, but that went out fairly quick, and this ferro rod is very, just not throwing a lot of sparks. Best. Right. Let's compare that to this one. So that's their striker. So I am able to use their striker on my rod, which is a homemade ugly looking thing. But when it comes to the one they provide, I would not want to rely on this for camping, cooking, let alone survival. That's a spine, so it's not my rod, it's this rod. It's a little thicker than my rod, see there. But I do have a magnesium block on the bottom of mine. As you can tell, I really don't use that much. I just use it, I put it on there in case as a backup plan kind of thing. But this isn't about my rod, this is about this one. So the idea is nice, it's compact. You know, you just, and then it's good to go kind of thing. But to me, that burned too quickly, and that's hard to get sparks off of. That seems secure enough when it's in there. I'm not sure how many times you're going to get it in and out though, because it's actually a bit tougher now that I used it to get it in and out. Probably because of this side here now is been used. So I don't know about that either. If your hands are cold or something, it's might be a pain in the ass to do it. So this bit here, bit of plastic, just to protect your rod, I guess. One screw in the side. Looks like a security screw top there. That. But that's what you get for £8. £8 on sale actually. So we've all seen these before. This is from Hangar 51. This is really good stuff for using as tinder. You get a lot of fires out of this. That's fluffy. Can we all agree it's fluffy? Look. Fluffy. It's getting awkward to use now. There we go. So that I'm not going to worry about. That's going to burn for a long period of time. But that magnesium, let me know in the comment section. That should burn a lot longer than that, I would say. Ferro rod could have a better quality ferro rod on it. Maybe some better, something throws a bit more sparks. The striker itself, let me get that before I know I'm going to burn myself or not. So, sorry. So the striker itself, it seems sharp, but it's not doing the job on the ferro rod, on the one that comes with this at least. So for £8, and it is getting harder and harder to put this back in there. So I don't know. Right, so my opinion, would I buy this? No. If I saw this review and I saw how little sparks this throws and how quick this burned, I wouldn't buy it for more than £8 anyway. I think £8's a bit much for something like this. I mean, I'd rather spend 12 on just a good rod and then £8 on this. I'll try to find what the original price was of this, and I'll put it up. But nah, it's another fail. I don't know. I just don't. Lifesystems, I think they make good first aid kits, but when it comes to shit like this, the second time now I had problems with ferro rods from them. So just to let you guys know, sharing information with you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you next video. See you guys later on. Bye.